everyone. Today we will discuss some theorems related to rings and idol. So, पहली theorem है if R is commutative ring A belongs to R, then RA is equal to RA such that R belongs to capital R is a two-sided idol of R. अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज आर ए इज़ अ सब ग्रुप अंडर एडिशन. लेट एक्स कॉमा वाई बिलोंग्स टू आर ए, then x is equal to r1a and y is equal to r2a. So x plus minus y is equal to r1a plus minus r2a. Now r1 plus minus r2a belongs to ra and x plus y belongs to ra. Hence ra is a subgroup under addition. Now the second condition, if x belongs to ra and r belongs to capital R, then x is equal to r1a, where r1 belongs to r and rx is equal to r1a. So r1a belongs to ra. Similarly xr belongs to ra. ra is an idol of r. ये हमें प्रूव करना था. नाउ देयर इज़ अनदर थ्योरम जिसका स्टेटमेंट है इफ़ U इज़ एन आइडल ऑफ रिंग R, देन R बाय U which is define R by U is equal to A plus U such that A belongs to R is a ring and is a homomorphic image of R. इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. We define addition and multiplication of R by U. So if A plus U comma B plus U belongs to R by U, where A comma B belongs to R, then A plus U plus B plus U is equal to A plus B plus U. Equation number 1. Now second, A plus U B plus U is equal to AB plus U. Equation number 2. Addition is well defined. A plus U is equal to A dash plus U and B plus U is equal to B dash plus U. Then we will prove that A plus U plus B plus U is equal to A dash plus U plus B dash plus U, where A dash comma B dash belongs to R. So it can be written as A plus B plus U is equal to A dash plus B dash plus U. Therefore A plus U is equal to A dash plus U. And so by the theorem HA is equal to HB if and only if A belongs to HB and B belongs to HA. Now by the theorem A belongs to A dash plus U, then A is equal to A dash plus U, where U1 belongs to U. Similarly B is equal to B dash plus U, where U2 belongs to U. Now A plus B is equal to A dash plus U1 plus B dash plus U2. Then A plus B plus U is equal to A dash plus U1 plus B dash plus U2 plus U. By cancellation law, A dash plus U1 plus B dash plus U, and which is equal to A1 plus B1 plus U2 plus U, where U2 belongs to U and U2 plus U equal to U. Since U is a idle additive subgroup, then A dash plus B dash plus U, where U1 belongs to U and U1 plus U is equal to U. Addition is well defined. Now we have to prove that multiplication is well defined. इसके लिए we have to prove that A plus U bracket B plus U is equal to A dash plus U B dash plus U. So AB plus U is equal to A dash B dash plus U. So AB is equal to A dash plus U1 bracket and the second bracket B dash plus U2. So AB plus U is equal to A dash plus U1 B dash plus U2 plus U. So AB plus U is equal to A dash B dash plus U2 plus U1 B1 plus U2 plus U. So AB plus U is equal to A dash B dash plus A1 U2 plus U1 B dash plus U1 U2 plus U by distributive law. Now A dash belongs to R and U2 belongs to U, which implies that A dash U2 belongs to U. Now B dash belongs to R and U1 belongs to U. So U1 B dash belongs to U. Now U1 belongs to U and U2 belongs to U. So U1 U2 is equal to u. Hence ab plus u is equal to a dash b dash plus u. Multiplication is well defined. Now we have to prove that r by u is a ring. रिंग प्रूफ करने के लिए कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी होती है? सबसे पहले तो क्लोजर अंडर एडिशन बाय इक्वेशन 1, a plus u plus b plus u is equal to a plus b plus u implies belongs to r by u. Associative under addition, a plus u comma b plus u comma c plus u belongs to r by u. So a plus u plus bracket b plus u plus c plus u bracket close. Now a plus u plus b plus c plus u, then it can be written as a plus b plus u plus c plus u. So now this can be written as a plus u plus b plus u plus c plus u. Identity under addition. Therefore 0 belongs to r, and so 0 plus u belongs to r by u. Now a plus u plus 0 plus u is equal to a plus 0 plus u by question number 1, so which is equal to a plus u, since a plus 0 is equal to a. Similarly 0 plus u plus a plus u is equal to a plus u, which is equal to 0 plus u, is an additive identity. Inverse under addition. So a plus u belongs to r by u, where a belongs to r, which implies that minus a belongs to r, and minus a plus u belongs to r by u. Now a plus u plus bracket minus a plus u is equal to a plus bracket minus a plus u. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 0 plus u. Similarly minus a plus u plus a plus u is equal to 0 plus u. So minus a plus u is additive inverse of a plus u. Now commutative law under addition. So a plus u plus b plus u, which is equal to a plus b plus u by question number 1. Now b plus a plus u, here a comma b belongs to r, so b plus u plus a plus u by equation number 1. Hence commutative law satisfied. So r by u is commutative group under addition. Now क्लोजर अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अभी हमने एडिशन के लिए प्रूफ किया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए करेंगे. सो बाय इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड, a प्लस यू b प्लस यू इज इक्वल टू ए बी प्लस यू बिलोंग्स टू r by u. Now the second is associative under multiplication. So a plus u b plus u c plus u is equal to a plus u b c plus u by equation number second. So a b c plus u by equation number second. So a b c plus u, since a comma b comma c belongs to r, so a b plus u and c plus u by equation number second. So a plus u b plus u bracket c plus u by equation number second. Associative under multiplication is satisfied. Now the distributive law. So a plus u bracket b plus u plus c plus u, which is equal to a plus u b plus c plus u by equation number 1. Now a b plus c plus u by equation number second. Now a b plus ac plus u by distributive law, which is equal to ab plus u plus ac plus u. So a comma b comma c belongs to r. Now a plus u b plus u plus a plus u c plus u by equation number second. Therefore right distributive law is satisfied. Similarly we can satisfy left cancellation law. Hence r by u is a ring and it's called the quotient ring. Homomorphic. First we define a mapping phi such that r onto r by u by phi a is equal to a plus u. Now phi a plus b is equal to a plus b plus u by definition of phi. So a plus u plus b plus u by equation number 1. So phi a plus phi b. Now phi ab is equal to ab plus u by definition of phi. So a plus u and b plus u. So it can be written as phi a dot phi b. Hence phi is homomorphic image of r. Thank you for watching.